In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from LinkBank to Cash App. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link a bank to Cash App and how to add money from that linked bank. So if you have already linked your bank to Cash App, you can just jump ahead. But if you still need to link your bank, you will be able to do this process by opening the latest version of Cash App on any mobile device and signing into your account. Once you are properly signed into your Cash App account, all that you have to do is tap on your icon, usually at the top right corner of the home screen, and you will be able to browse through various options. One of those options is going to be linked banks, and as the name suggests, this is where you will be able to see all of the bank accounts that have been linked to Cash App. So, if you don't see your bank linked in there, you will be able to choose the option to link a bank. You might also have to link a debit card to proceed, but for the most part, you can tap on Link Bank and you will be able to see a list of all the banks that can be linked to Cash App. Just tap on any of them, and if you don't see your specific bank, you will also get the option to include the details about a debit card to link it to Cash App. So once you choose your bank and you sign in using your credentials, or you use your debit card information to get it linked, it is going to appear right underneath the linked bank section. Now, to actually add balance to your Cash App account, you just have to go back and tap the My Cash tab, usually located at the bottom of your screen. When you tap your balance, you will be able to see the Add Cash option right underneath your balance. And as you might imagine, immediately upon tapping Add Cash, you will be able to choose how much you want to add and choose the bank account that you linked to Cash App. So confirm the amount, confirm the bank account, review the details, and tap Add Cash. The transfer time may vary depending on your bank's processing speed. Some banks might take a few minutes to an hour, but you will be able to receive the money inside of Cash App. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from LinkBank to Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.